Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the director common octopus with this cinnamon head in Heartopia. So in this spring season at the Heartopia, there is a dreamlike cinematic event, and at this event there are several new octopus or new festival octopus like this that looks like this with the glasses and then wears the cinnamon head like this. And to catch this unique octopus, you can just go to whale sea, and it spawns almost all time at sunny, rainy or rainbow. So just go to the whale sea over here. This one, just go to this area and then just catch this octopus. And to increase the chances to get this octopus, you can use with Attractor or maybe mermaid perfume. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.